What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video I am trying to fix the door locking mechanism because my door is stuck. Stay tuned. Don't worry, some of these clips sometimes break, so it's normal, it happens to everyone. I will have to remove the mechanical part, which is the black one. There are 4 screws, 2 inside here and 2 outside. These are the clips I was trying to unclip from these 2 parts here. Let's try to open it. Maybe you can see how dark the rotor is, and it's full of dark dust. We will try to clean that and this. And with sandpaper I will gently remove the black part here on the rotor. So I will assemble it in the reverse order. Let's do a first check from the outside. Seems to work. So locked. Doesn't work. Unlocked. That's what you have to try if your door has the same behavior as mine has. I've seen a lot of people solving it in the same way, so I decided to make a detailed video and to show you how to do that. I will put this back together in the reverse order. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.